Customizing your Pro Evolution Soccer team. Rosters with downloaded TED files. These contain player edits, team kits, and tactical data for PES games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through importing these PES team edit data files. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic TED corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. A game data file used by the Pro Evolution Soccer PES series, now eFootball, to store user-created edits. This includes custom player stats, team names, kits, and emblems. Users search for these files to install community-made patches that update the game with official licenses and content. This is a proprietary binary file containing structured game data in a format optimized for fast loading by the game engine. The data is encrypted or obfuscated to prevent casual tampering, requiring specialized community-developed editors to modify its contents, such as player attributes and team rosters. The reference software for validating TED integrity is Pro Evolution Soccer eFootball from Konami. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows shows only basic file information, so reviewing real content requires game-supporting tools. Open the menu by right-clicking your TED file and choosing Open With. Try Pro Evolution Soccer/eFootball first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If your TED file will not open yet, do not panic. This format is tricky. Since the TED file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, importing in PES. Launch Pro Evolution Soccer and navigate to Edit mode, then Data Management. Connect a USB drive containing the TED file or place it in the appropriate save game directory. Select Import Edit Data and choose the TED file. The game loads the custom data overriding current edits with the imported content. Next, using PES editing tools. Install PES editing tools like PES Editor or Cider for advanced TED file manipulation outside the game. These community tools open TED files allowing detailed editing of player stats, team configurations, and kit assignments. Save modifications back to TED format for re-import into PES with complete custom data preservation. Finally, backing up existing data. Before importing a TED file, export your current edit data through PES Edit Mode Data Management Export function. Save the backup to a separate location. If the imported TED data causes issues or you want to restore your original setup, simply re-import your backup TED file to revert all changes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.